Hi folks, Handyman Dan coming to you from beautiful South Carolina. We've got an outdoor project today. Fall is upon us here, the leaves are coming down and we got to get this project done before the snow starts falling. What we have here is we have a pole, a light pole that we've enjoyed for quite a bit of time. However, it looks a bit anemic compared to the house, and I'll show you here in a minute. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a wrap here to better match the house, and using as many pieces of scrap wood as we can. So it's really going to be consisting of two pieces. It's going to have this piece down at the base, and then we're going to put the wrap on here. That'll go on the top part, and that'll go right on here, and it'll make a really nice, heftier looking light pole. So we'll show you how to do that. Folks, this is our front door, and you can see it's just beautiful here. What we want to do is make sure that we get a light pole that matches very nicely with this front porch in the house. So as you can see, this is a lot thicker. We're going to try to stain our light pole. Use the same kind of molding on the side here so it matches really well, and then it'll really help the entrance coming into our driveway. Hey folks, I got a couple of my helpers out here. My supervisor here, he's taking a little bit of break, and my other pal here, he's going to help me with the sawing. What I wanted to show you here is this is a Milwaukee table saw. This is the M18 battery system. It's very good, portable. We don't use any wires here, and this is what I've been using to cut my wood. It's got a nice thin, sharp blade on it, and doesn't chew up much wood. So this is going to be the bottom of our light pole, and I'm trying to use as many scrap pieces as I can. These are 1x6s, and I'm using some of these old moldings, actually cedar pieces. And you can see how we kind of overlap this whenever we put this together here to make this square. And then I'm going to go in here and I'm going to put these moldings on here all the way around, make it match, and then we're going to stain the whole piece that way. The top piece then is really going to be the same kind of construction. You can see here that since we can't slip this over the top of the pole like we can the bottom, we're going to build this on the pole, and we're going to just nail this together. We've got an automatic Milwaukee staple gun, or brad nailer, and we'll put this together and then assemble it on the pole. So this is the set we have. I strongly recommend you go with some of these Milwaukee tools. They really make it easy. The M18 battery system. Okay, folks, we're getting ready to attach these moldings on here to make this look similar to the house. So what I've got here is I've actually got some pieces of cedar board. I've got my Milwaukee brad nailer, and this makes it very simple when you're working with this kind of wood. It doesn't split anything. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and then what you have to be sure though is that you are getting level with the other piece of wood that you're going to attach on the other side to make it even. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we'll put the first one in, and then we'll double check it here. Turn this on. These nailers make it really easy, and you'll check it here to be sure that that's in line all the way back. You go ahead and nail the one on the back. That gets you in good shape, and then go ahead and do the remainder of them. Be sure that's attached nice and securely. Yep. Okay, folks, we're close to getting the project finished up here. We've been working a lot, filling in all these different pieces here that we wanted to put on here. Wanted to show you that we're actually constructing this thing in two pieces because we have to wrap it around the existing pole, and the neck on the pole was a little tight here. So what we've done is we've actually done this in two pieces. We're also going to put an electrical line in here, and you can see this top piece lifts right off of here, so that we can do it in two pieces. And on the back here, we included this electrical socket here, so that when we hook the lamp back up, that we'll have electrical sockets that's also switched with the lamp. So if you want to wrap some Christmas lights around it or something like that, you can do as well. So we're going to get busy here and put it on the pole. We'll show you that. We're ready to get this assembled onto the lamp post. This piece here, you can notice that on the bottom here we put some feet. We've got some bricks here for this to set on. That way the wood's not setting right down in the moisture. And we can also take a weed eater and go around it. What we're going to do is just go up over the top, and we're going to place this down here. we'll have to level that up when we get a chance. And we're going to get these other pieces and we're going to mount those up on here as well. Those will fit right down in here. And then we'll take the other piece and we'll get our gun and place that on there as well. And so then we'll hook up our electric and should be about it. We'll get finished staining it and we'll be ready to go. Folks, we got it all wrapped up here. You can see it looks beautiful. We got it all level, got the light connected back up here. We've got our electrical socket working here as well, so when it comes Christmas time we can throw some lights on it. Matches the house really well, and that's what we tried to do here, is to make everything match very nicely. So real secure, real level, setting up on bricks so that the water doesn't come in, and you can see it just looks great with the house in the background.